We're going to be doing now is drawing in our object, which is going to be an upright arrow, and we're going to place it in between the focal point and the vertex, which is right there. I'm going to thin this out just a little bit so that we get a little bit more of a precise piece here, and I'm not going to put it too close to the mirror. I do want it to be, but I definitely want it beyond the focal point. Okay, so what we always start with is our incident ray. And our incident ray is going to be going in parallel. So I'm going to use my ruler, and I've got this set for a 0-degree angle so that I know I'm going perfectly horizontal, and I stop when I get to the mirror. What goes in horizontally is going to reflect, which is going to be my green pen this time. It's going to reflect diagonally, and it is going to go through the actual focal point, that line connecting the mirror to the focal point. Got a nice, clean, solid line there. We've got going away. Now comes time for our second incident line. And our second incident line is going to connect the tip, the focal point, and the mirror. Okay. However, when we're trying to do that, this time, instead of angling it down, we're going to have to angle up. Let's get this over a little bit. Get this lined up the best we can. And connect it. Now, notice I always start at the tip. I do not go back to my focal point because the light doesn't actually come from there, only starting at the tip. What goes in diagonally is going to come out horizontally. So switching back to my reflected ray color, the green, and all of a sudden you're going to notice there is no way these two reflected lines are going to meet. So what we're going to do is get a virtual image by extending it backwards. I'm drawing a dashed line because we know darn tootin' well light does not go beyond the mirror, and the light itself stops at the mirror. You can't go behind the wall and see where the light's going to because it isn't. It just appears to be going there. And where the two lines cross, that's where the tip of our image is going to be.